Ladies and gentlemen, the Commandant of the National War College, Rear Admiral Douglas McNair, United States Navy.
Good morning, warriors. Will the National War College class of 2012 please rise? Madam President, it is my distinct honor to present the National War College candidates who have fulfilled the requirements and are duly recommended by the faculty of the National War College for the degree Master of Science in National Security Strategy.
By the authority vested in me by the Congress and the President of the United States, I hereby confer upon each of you the degree recommended by the faculty of your college with all rights, privileges, and honors thereto pertaining.
Will the first row of National War College graduates please proceed to stage left? The remainder, please be seated. Colonel Yoshiki Adachi, Japan. Commander Henry Adams. Lieutenant Colonel Anthony Adrian. Colonel Ismatullah Hamadi, Afghanistan. Lieutenant Colonel Stephen Ayton. Brigadier General Saad Al-Harthi, Saudi Arabia. Colonel Nathaniel Allen. Colonel Mahmoud Al-Sahi, United Arab Emirates. Brigadier General Masin Al-Sudani, Iraq. Colonel Bernhard Altisberger, Germany, distinguished graduate. Mr. Joachim Anderson. Mr. Patrick Antonetti. Colonel Jacques Rodinez.